Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Most likely you're having an issue with your printer and you want to resolve it, so that's what we're here for. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. So a common issue on a Brother laser printer would be where a paper gets crumbled right here, crumpled up, and there's an easy solution to resolve that issue. Or if it just gets jammed somewhere in this area and you can see the paper here, this is the video to watch and then follow the steps in order to fix the issue. Alright, let's get to it. I'm talking a lot. So you can see there's rollers on this particular printer. This is an HL-L2360dw. It has 4 rubber rollers right there on this one roller piece right here. So, and then there's plastic ones touching that to have some compression in order for the paper to roll out. This is the final roller that the paper is going to go through, and that's usually the issue. It needs to be it just needs to be cleaned. And versus going in there and trying to spin it, there is a way to do it very easily. So this is the area. Here's a closer and brighter look at it. So rollers are right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And also I'd like to point out the area in the back. So if we spin our printer around, we have this access door right here. We're going to open it, and there's also some rollers. They're not the same ones. The ones that I'm talking about are a little bit higher. They're about right here. There's also these rollers right here that you may want to clean as well. So these are easy to get to, so I'll show you how I do that. So I either use alcohol swabs. Trust me, I've been doing it for many years. Some people say that it ruins the rubber. It really doesn't, but then if you're well, maybe it does, but printers have lasted me many years, and I've done cleaning once in a while. It didn't hurt the rubber at all. So if you're not sure if you want to use it, you can just use water on a paper towel. Do not put any solution or water inside ever, any printer, especially laser. So you're just gonna want to have a little bit of moisture on the paper towel and just go through each one. This one you can actually, I'm not sure, but if you put this one down, yeah, you can have you can just roll it and it'll clean each one. So this is how I'll do it. And definitely make sure you don't leave anything inside here. Also, definitely, of course, if there's any foreign object such as a paper clip, that's going to be your problem number 1 before you need to get to cleaning. So check for that. You can always use a flashlight in order to do that. So let's clean these rollers real quick, and then we'll get to the ones that are most likely that are causing the crumpled up paper. Okay, so I put that one down. So this is the piece right here. I'm gonna kind of hold it up, and as I spin, I'll just have my alcohol swab over one of the rollers, and spin it maybe 2-3 rounds, and then move on to the next one. What happens is with time, paper dust accumulates on here, and it cooks on because there's heater involved with this area. You can see this is the fuser area. So just go ahead and clean it. If you just want to do it for maintenance purposes, just use water on a paper towel and just do that. Why paper towel? Because paper towel doesn't break up as like a napkin. You can always also use just cloth. So I just use paper towel a lot because it's different printers, and I wouldn't want to go from one printer to another with a cloth towel or something. So, but it's always a good thing to use a rag. So make sure you snap this back. Let it dry first, of course, but then I'm just gonna go ahead and snap it back in. Make sure it's in place, and you'll know if it's in place or not. If you shut this door and it doesn't shut, or you have something to force it, then open it up and make sure it's installed properly. So you can see there's some dust here that it's just best to remove if you have that. So just paper towel. That shouldn't cause any problems. It's just not good to have any dust or trash on your printer. So let's get to these rollers and try cleaning them. So what I do to make these spin, I would just turn the printer off and on, or actually a better thing to do would be to open the front cover and close it, and that'll start the printer to kind of get ready. And all the rollers are going to basically spin, and that gives you the opportunity to just but make sure you don't lose it or have it go in there, because that may cause a problem. So if you're not sure, just maybe staple it to something. I'm usually okay and comfortable doing this, so I'll just hold it over this, like roller number 1, while the printer spins. So just to demonstrate what I mean is, I'm going to open and close this, and you can see you're going to hear the printer start up and all these rollers spin. So that's exactly what I'm going to do every time. I'll just do one on each side. That gives it enough spin there on each roller. Okay, so I have it over this roller. Then I'm going to move over to the next one. The roller, the upper roller, it spins this way, like up. If you're looking at it, the front side is going to go up. Again. Just kind of move it a little bit from side to side. And you can see the dirt that it got off the roller. And let's try the other two. I'm going to open a new one so I can see it's all clear. I mean all clean. And then we're going to just put it over this roller. Just moving it back and forth. And you can see it collected some. And our last one. It's a bit harder with this flap here, but you still can get it. So after that, let it dry for a little bit. There is some heat coming out here because of the fuser, so it'll dry pretty quickly. Here's what I got for the last one too. So the third one, and this is fourth roller. So just give it a few minutes and run some paper through, and you should see good results. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and send the test report through. Oh, this one doesn't do double-sided. Okay, so this is the test report. It just came out without any problems. I'm going to send a demo print through, and that should print on both sides. There we go. So all rollers work fine. We got this problem resolved. So we have good paper motion there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.